Florida.
Yeah, I
Try to
wish.
get them. They're like 3-4 blocks that way,
Yeah.
covered by all the trees. So best to stay on this side right here.
Mhm.
Good thing. Whoa.
Yes, I like that one. I keep them going. I love those big ones.
Hit a tree. It's like whistling.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the ducks don't care.
Yep, they just over there. Oh, I thought it was gonna be a big one, but probably not.
No, those are the whistle ones. The whoosh. You know the saying. They do bigger in Texas.
Yeah,
than
they
do
sure
in
do.
Texas.
Especially that one. I'm like, like.
Yep.
I love those ones. I love the big loud ones. They're just yes.
I remember the ones we used to see in Arizona. Not as much as these ones, but
Oh yeah.
they did more of the zingers instead of the big old ones.
Yes, oh my goodness.
Keep doing those ones. Those are cool.
Yes. How's yours?
That's all zing.
Yeah. Yeah, but in the future people can watch it on like a what do you call it? Like a pass.
Rewatch.
Huh?
Like a rewatch.
Yeah.
Should get one of these.
I'm fine with my little thingies.
That's gonna be a good one.
Come on! Wow!
We're doing some on that side as well. Let's pan around this way. I like it's got a nice breeze out here.
Yep.
It's so hot like it was earlier today.
Oh, 75 degrees?
Oh, it's 75 out here. That's good.
Yeah, it's nice.
Not too hot. A little breeze.
It is nice. Oh, come on. I was expecting more than that. Okay, that's a little.
They got music playing.
Yeah, I hear that. They're doing a little party.
Yeah.
I mean, I would too, but I can't because it would be copyrighted.
That's okay. I can all hear the firecrackers.
Yeah. Oh.
That's a big one.
Yes! Yeah, oh my goodness!
Oh, there's a little red dot in the middle of that one. You see that?
Yeah?
Don't you just love living in Texas where you can pop your own fireworks? Don't have to go and see them.
Isn't it legal in California to do that?
Illegal, it's very illegal.
In California?
Very illegal.
What? I feel bad for y'all in California. I don't know what they're doing over there.